Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I decided why not get Universe Sandbox right here. And yeah, it did cost like 30 bucks or something, but yeah, I got hundreds of dollars in my mini bank upstairs, so and oh, I forgot to mention, I almost forgot to mention, my birthday, my birthday was like a few days ago, 2 days I think, on March 9th, March 9th is my birthday, and what is going on with my screen? I don't know, my cursor has turned into a lollipop, so that means it's loading, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, my birthday was on March 9th, a few days ago, and I don't think you can see because I didn't turn my webcam on, but I got a sleek new extended keyboard. You know those extended Apple keyboards? Yeah, I don't think I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. And this something called Apple Touchpad. Yeah, it's actually really cool. All you need to do, put your finger on it, slide it, and the cursor will follow. Like I'm doing it right now, and yeah, it's just really cool. And what the heck is going on with my iMac? Dude. Like load. Hold on. I'll try stopping it. Okay, so I've got it open. I had my Roblox open as well. So, and this is, I'm guessing, the solar system. Wait, what? Hold up, there is a lot more things here than I actually expected. Like, what's this? 2018 VG18? What the heck? I mean, at least give it a decent name. Like, Neptune or Uranus. Wait a sec, hold on. Sorry. I do not know why I said it that way. Or Saturn. Or what's this? Make? Isn't that the name of that one panda on Kung Fu Panda 3? I don't know. Anyway, okay, so this is like the inner part of the solar system, like Sun, Mercury, Earth, Venus, Mars, and I wonder what you can do. Hold up, let me open this. Okay, so you can change the mass, radius, density, surface temperature, luminosity, a lot of stuff about the sun. I'm guessing about everything else, other planets as well. There's a lot more than I expected. It's actually really cool. Yeah, you should guys really try this. Yeah, wait, what's this? Replace object. Oh, I can replace the sun with something. Ooh. I'll replace it with the biggest sun. I don't think. It's the biggest sun, which I know for a fact. Something called UY. See what where? Yeah, I'm pretty sure UY Sky, which is right. Here we go. Replace. Oh, that is larger than I expected, and brighter. Hey Saturn, are you roasting your toes in that thing? Oh. Appears that UI Scuddy destroyed destroyed Saturn. How convenient. Now we have more. Wait, hold on. Where's the Earth? It killed all those planets too. Wait, larger sun. What? Oh heck! Look at the temperature, over 1,000 degrees. Thank goodness this is in the future, and I mean, yeah, thank goodness that it's not the future, so people on that planet do not have to suffer, and oh, everything's being dragged in? God save everyone who's on this planet. Yeah, it appears that Neptune is burning. Oh, E and Q rotates the screen, I think. Come back here. What temperature are you on? Only 428. I mean, that's still hot. That's still hot, don't get me wrong. But right now that seems cool. Why am I hold on, I remember how to, what if I launch a sun, like an average size sun, into UI Scuddy? No, I want, get back up here. You're not leaving me. Okay, there we go. A white hurling white ball, or I don't know, a yellow ball, I'm guessing, hurling towards a gigantic fat thingy. A gigantic, well, technically speaking, they're both gigantic compared to the Earth, but UI Scuddy is gigantic to the Sun. I feel like I should change something about UI Scuddy. Hold up, I want it. I have a feeling I should change something. Oh, I have a great idea. Yeah. It is definitely not larger now. Ooh, I have an idea. I should change the name. But what should I change it to? I have no idea. Now, I have an idea. I got it from a guy named Gray Still Plays. 10 Cancer. See. Okay. Yeah.
Phew! I beat you up!
Okay.
Would you like your creeper?
Yeah.
Yay! Success. This is on the floor and we put it on the table so it gets stepped on.
Okay.
Back
Okay. Why is the sun going extremely slow? Hold up. Oh, it just swallowed up the sun. Oh. Now that is a sight to see. Now I'm going to keep speeding up till every... Is that everything? Oh my goodness. Captain Cancer destroyed the entire solar system. That is a... Well, that is going to be probably be the end of this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time.